I was exhausted. What in the heck? Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Cita here. If you're new, welcome. If you're coming back, hey girl, hey. So what we got up for today? We have another Cousin's Day planned. So I came outside to set the pool up, but I just wanted to at least start the vlog off because girl, I took me a little breakity break, but I gotta get back to it because I did the 30 days for the June Diaries, but I got 2 more left to edit and post. And yeah, I still ain't soaked these off yet. But I didn't stop recording though. I just hadn't been posting. I don't know. I needed like just a little break. And I was like, I just need 3 days. 3 days, we're good. And I posted on Wednesday. Was it Wednesday? If it wasn't Wednesday, it was Thursday. So Friday, Saturday, today's Sunday. Today makes day 3. I think it was Wednesday. Because if it was Wednesday, today it would have already been 3 days. Either way it goes. I said, just give me 3 days and I'm gonna jump back into it. That's where I'm at with that one. But yeah, so I'm already sitting outside. If you can't tell, I'm at the desk. I'm at my table and chair set. So I'm like, yeah. These last couple of days, I am not gonna lie to you, like I have enjoyed them so much, even though like I said I wasn't actually like talking, physically recording bits of stuff here and there. So I think I might have to compile the last 2 days as one video. It is what it is. It'll be all right because we still have enough. I still feel like we'll still have enough for the month of July vlogs, even though I kind of took me a little breakity break, you know what I mean? It's okay. What was I gonna say? Oh, I was gonna say, I've been enjoying just coming out here, just sitting here. So I've been coming out here in the morning, having my cup of tea, journaling. I didn't do that this morning, and I didn't do it yesterday morning. But I even though if I didn't come out in the morning, I came out later on in the day. And I just been sitting and reading my book. Like, I made a point, like, okay, if we're gonna like really take a break. Let's do something we really want to do. And that's read my book, because I've been like reading it bits and pieces here and there. I think I've read just about 10 chapters in the last 2 days. And we're going to read some more again today. I cannot wait. I'm going to have to go get this off. Like, it's been so nice and so peaceful. As long as I've got a breeze, we're good. Girl, don't mind the hair, because this how we just gonna be looking. And I've been looking like this for the last 2 days too. I ain't been slicking it down, because even when I slick it down, the wind been blowing every which way. But like I said, peaceful out here, because I got my chair set up. I put the wind chime up. Like, so anywho, I've talked your ear off long enough for right now. I don't think I'll be doing too much talking in this vlog, but we got us a vlog for today though. I love it. I need to, and it's so funny because I went to Five and Below Thursday. I said, you know what, Five Below, y'all got enough of my money for one day. I still want to go back. I think I'm gonna go back today. I think once my cousin comes over, because I asked Bash, I said, Bash, I want to go to Five and Below. What about you? He goes, no, I want to stay home. Oh, by the way, they don't even know their cousin's coming over. It's my cousin too, but they don't know, like, she's gonna be here today. She said between 2 and 3. And I think that's cool, because like I said, I'm gonna get the pool together now, start putting the water in there, so then that way it'll have a little warmth from the sun, but it should still be. Oh, it's not coming this way. Monarch butterfly is going back that way. It's about to leave. And no, not yet. But anywho, yeah, I see Lito's still asleep. I don't know what time they went to bed in the morning, but girl, I dozed off on them. I've been letting them enjoy their summer. Well, because they did a late night pool. I put the pool up and everything. I don't even think I recorded it. Put it up for them last night. They was in it for about a good hour, got out, and that was about it, girl. I ain't gonna lie to you. So they were fine. I was exhausted. hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.